Okay, so we're going to set up a GIF on your Akko 598B. First, put it in USB at the back. Make sure you are hardwired into your PC, and then go over to the website, support, and then drivers. The purple link at the top, ignore it, don't download it. Just find your keyboard and download the driver. And then afterwards, let's go and search for the program. Give it a moment to think. And then on the left, we're going to click on screen. If you already have a GIF saved, you can scroll down and click select image, but we're going to go grab one. I like to use Giphy, right click, and then save as. And then I'm going to go select image now, go grab the GIF that we just got. And on this one, you can use your scroll bar to make it bigger. I didn't know that at first, so just a fun fact. And then confirm. And then we're going to go to upload animation. And then you'll see it working on your keyboard. It does take a minute to upload. So we're going to zip zap through, and here we are. It is done, and just as an FYI, there are more GIFs available within the app. The search isn't very great, but it is there. Anyways, hope that helps. Bye.